So what I did, I just set off one of this downstairs, close it up, and the following morning I saw the 40 leg gasping for breath. It took him out. And yeah, so definitely try it out, guys. See my Jamaicans, you living overseas, you're building a house in Jamaica, and sometimes you lock up your house. Yes, or you have somebody living there. Because sometimes you even overseas, you're paying somebody to clean your house, and the bastards, them, they ain't doing shit. They just come in your house, look, take out your stuff, lock it up back and go. And they don't even clean your house properly. And sometimes you come and say, why so much spider web, anansi and crocodile and lizard and dinosaur in your house? Try this out, guys. This guy right here, it works. It's a 6-pack. I've been using this for years, and tell you, kill anything that come in the house. Seriously, anything that come take up resident in the house, they wish they have never did when you set off this. Take off the lid, and you press the trigger, and you are good to go. The moment you press the trigger, take away yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. So that's how we're doing it again. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. What is this? My FeedingThe shoe box. What? You have to use the FeedingThe shoes box because we're delivering some items to some individuals. We're blessing a family with this. This is a box of food. This is for an elderly lady. And then this is for another individual. We want to let her get that also. So we're trying to see if we can organize up these three package to drop off. I got my boxes them up here that I was using. I got a packaging tape. Yeah. We want to see if we can sort them out and let the individual get them. Busy day yesterday, man. I woke up at 7 o'clock, been on the road till 10 o'clock last night, guys. Blessing individuals with clothes and food. This is going to one family. And then over here, we got this for a Rastafarian lady. Yeah. We're gonna let the individual get them. Yeah. Coconut oil, air conditioner. With this coconut oil and cocoa butter, air conditioner. So this is air conditioner, right? This is milk and honey body wash. This is cocoa butter and body lotion for dry skin. Instant moisture. Coconut oil. This is for ear oil, they call it. And then you got the coconut oil and cocoa butter smoothing shampoo. Got a Crest toothpaste, and then you got what they call this, coconut and hibiscus shea butter soap. Yeah, so this is going to a Rastafarian lady. Yeah, elderly lady. So this sorted out already. This can't hold no more, so we're gonna tape up this guy. This over here, you got what they call this, kitchen set. Yeah, pot holder, kitchen towel, mitten. You got mixing bowl right here. You got utensils right here, and you got some Rubbermaid take along. Yeah, so trying to see if we can get these stuff out. If not today, maybe tomorrow. Clear out my barrel and got some little stuff. I'm gonna try to make some oatmeal breakfast. Yeah. Place is a little bit unorganized, guys. We're doing painting and everything at the same time in the house. Yeah, we just throw stuff on the table. I gotta put up the curtains. I'm not gonna do that right now. And I'm doing a lot, guys, trying to get things sorted out, but you know, you only can do so much in in just 1 week. Somebody asked for an oil. I'm gonna see if I can give them this oil. Somebody said, man, oh no, oil can give me an oil. This is the last one I have. I'm just gonna give it to them. These are for me to cook with some white rice. It's for my dinner. Yeah. These also. I got my case of water that I ship down in my barrel. Yeah, almost finished. How much leaving I? 2, 4, 6, 7. Been drink what? 8. What they call it? Poland Spring. Yeah, I ship down this and some sparkling water also in the barrel. I got my these are the stuff that I got from takeout. That's something that they got call it. You know, we just keep them there. My wife said to me, yo, take them down to Jamaica when you're working, you know, rather than buying them, we can have them to give to the workers. Like so that they're not feeling that they're far from your knife. Yeah, so great idea, my wife. Thank you so much. And then over here I got my cups that I bought at Sam's, and I got my plates. So all of these that I'm using, and then these guys, you know, just to give me a boost of energy, so they call it. Energy Rush 4C. I will just tear it up, tear off the lid, tear off the top, I should say, and then pour it in the bottle of water, and that is my little energy boost for the rest of the day. So I can do either for that citrus, we do orange flavor, this berry. I think that's the true flavor that is inside of it. Yeah, so I will just put one in a bottle of water, and that's it. Yes, guys, for those of you that have your house and are coming to Jamaica, if you have it locked up, yes or no, you can bring these guys, real kill, indoor fogger. You just set off one. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah, indoor fogger. Take off the lid, and you just press down on this. Any insect that is in the house, or when I say any insect, I mean any insect, it kills them. Any crawling, even lizard, anything that is in there, everything have to take flight, everything have to take away yourself. This guy right here is bad. Yeah, kill them out. Yeah. Anything that is in the house gonna dead, guys. Anything in the house, dead. Yeah. Yeah. So if you have your house and you're traveling, these guys right here, guys, I implore you to try it out, man. Bring some of it. And as you can see, that's the name of it. They got different brand, but this is the brand that I use. I get it from Home Depot. It's a good brand. It works, guys. It works. Because sometimes you even overseas, you're paying somebody to clean your house. And the bastards, them, they ain't doing shit. They just come in your house, look, take out your stuff, lock it up back and go. And they don't even clean your house properly. But I implore you, and sometimes you come and say, why so much spider web, anansi, and crocodile, and lizard, and dinosaur in your house? Try this out, guys. This guy right here, it works. It's a 6-pack. I've been using this for years, and tell you, it kills anything, kill anything that come in the house. Seriously, anything that come take up resident in the house, they wish they have never did when you take off the lid. And you press the trigger, and you are good to go. The moment you press the trigger, take away yourself. I have to share it up. This, as you can see, it's a big jug of Dawn Platinum. Like this detergent. I like it. I shared up already. Yeah. My thing that I ship down in my Jamaica, in my generator, I share it up already. I give away some. And then I got my Persil, the laundry detergent. So share this up already. So I got little in there. This been here for 1 year now. I've been using it to do my laundry. I got my floor cleaner, which I'm going to be cleaning the house before I go back home. So I got Mr. Clean right here. Yeah, multi-purpose. Yeah, so these are supposed to clean up my house. And then these guys, I just set them off, open them up, what they call air freshener. Yeah, then I got my mops right here. Yeah, so that's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it, thing. Right here is my powder room that we're working on. My wife said that she wanted a powder room on the second floor, which when anybody come upstairs, they don't have to use any of the other bedrooms, other bathrooms. So we're working on this now. This just need to be connected up, and then gotta put on the door. Yeah, you turn on the light, the fan is on. Yes, because you got some people that come in your bathroom and they don't want to turn on they poo in your bathroom, and they don't even turn on the exhaust fan. They just walk out and your house be smelling like a pigsty. So my wife said, put on the light, put on the fan on the same switch as the light. That means whether they want to, yes or not, everything is running at once. Yeah, so that's the reason why I have it like that, guys. Yeah, so almost finished. Got the mirror. We're still contemplating on, we have a mirror right there. I may change this mirror and use that mirror and so forth. Got the lights. I love these guys. Yeah, we got these tile guys. These guys, we got these guys for 99 cents. These are slate. These are slate tiles, and those down there are travertine. Yeah, and you got your mosaic up here. Yeah, mosaic, nice, beautiful. Got that light at Lowe's for $15. Vanity, $100. Tile it, $50. The mirror was for $20 when I purchased it. Yeah, all these items that you see, guys, we got them at sales at Lowe's. No joke about it. Yeah. So wifey, you got what you want. You say put on the switch, put on the fan and the light on the same switch, and there you go. Yeah. Hey, what's up? You miss me? Hey Brownie, what's up? You miss me girl? Alright my brother, we'll do. Wow. You alright? You good, guys? Huh? You alright? Alright. Okay. Hey, what's up? You good? Huh? Say hi to the channel members then. Say hi to the viewers and subscribers then. Say hi to the channel members, Light Brownie. So guys, this is Light Brownie and this is Dark Brownie. So it's two brownie, so we have to separate them by separate them a little. So Light Brownie and Dark Brownie. Yeah. You guys alright? What you guys up to? Breadfruit, them dropping off of the tree, guys. X, what's up? You alright, X? What's up? What you doing? Huh? You good? Oh man. So yeah, guys, we're up in the hills one more time. Give you a nice view of Montego Bay right here. That is it right there, guys. Yeah, zoom in Montego Bay. Yeah man, let me deal with it right now. Brownie, where you going? Hmm? Where you going, girl? Alright, you ready? You good? Beautiful Montego Bay, guys. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. So guys, yes, I'm finally back home in Jamaica, trying to do some work.